Well, hello everybody. It's a little echoey. I'm inside the skid steer. It's raining, but that's okay. Here we go. We're clearing out this property. It is a jungle, but we've got this. Just for an example. Notch it. Oh, look at that. I'm going to drag it out, get it out of the way. And then we're going to mulch it. Take our time. These saplings right here, I like to cut them. I've got it angled back a little. And then I come to here, angle it forward, get those roots. Sometimes you can hit the root ball, sometimes you can't. And I try to mulch it where I'm not driving over a 1-inch stump, basically. Little tiny tree stumps chewing the tracks up. You see how clean that is? It is mowable now with the brush hog. That's the key. Come through here. And by the way, you see where I'm cutting now? All that was this jungle right here. So I won't make this a long video. I just wanted to show you the potential of this unused land. This has been a jungle since he purchased it, and nobody would touch it. And this is not a forestry mulcher. They give you a different cut. This is going to leave debris behind that you would need a brush hog. See this? See the debris right here? It seems low, but that's still a 1-inch sapling, on the ground. We try to chew it up. We can come back and clean it up, but you're not going to have this turnkey, and you're not going to do bigger trees like a forestry mulcher would do. A forestry mulcher can do, 12, 14-inch trees, sometimes bigger, depending on the wood. It just takes time, and then chews it up like a stuff grinder. This is a rotary cutter, so it's just basically a giant lawnmower, set of lawnmower blades on a 600-pound flywheel on steroids. So we're going to work through this. I know it's super gratifying. It's probably more gratifying without my voice in the background. So, love you guys. I'm going to work in the rain with my headlights on until I can't. Bye-bye.